Are you looking for the best router bit sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best router bit sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Hitlex 10,115-piece set. Indeed a useful and handy set of bits, the Hitlex 10,100-bit set could be the ideal choice. This box comprises 15 universal bits that can get you a variety of operations on wood. All the bits have tips are from tungsten carbide, which is a very hard material meant for rugged use. This means that you can easily cut through the wood in a variety of ways. And always ensuring a clean cut and without much damage to the tips. You can stay sure that these router bits do not heat up too much as you are repeatedly cutting through. All the bits have a 1/4 shank that allows you a universal application that can get all kinds of routers. At number 4, KOWOOD router bits set. Firstly, it is a reliable set that can get lots of work done smoothly for a long time. This set is loaded with 35 pieces and thus the handiest and ideal set for beginners. There are all kinds of bits for a variety of woodworking operations. These are edging, trimming, mortising, grooving, and so on all kinds of wooden and wood composite-based materials. Moreover, the bits home in an aluminum case that holds them together in an organized manner. Hence, protects them from any unwanted damage as you are storing them. At number 3, KOWOOD 24-piece router bits set. KOWOOD is a reputed maker of many hardwood items and their 24-piece router bit set is no exception. The heavy-duty bits are from steel to ensure a durable body and application. Next, the tips of the router bits are from carbon steel. For this reason, it is very hard and known to create excellent cuts on various wooden surfaces. The bits feature a 1/4 inches shank. This allows you to attach it securely to the routers without the bit vibrating too much while under operation. Just be sure not to use these bits on any ferrous or metallic materials and you can easily use them for a very long time to come. At number 2, Hitlex 10,108 24-piece router bits set. The Hitlex 10,108 router bit set comes with 24 different router bits that you can use for varying purposes. The body of these bits is from steel with the tip being constructed from tungsten carbide. Hence, the set gives it a very strong edge. The tips will not wear out easily and are also resistant to heat, thus not heating up too much even after repeated use. Furthermore, the router bits are very sharp and ideal to conduct a number of woodworking operations. These are such as trimming, edge cutting, shaping, mortising, drilling, and so on. The product has a construction of solid alloy construction for giving it all the benefits over other brands. At number 1, KOWOOD Pro Router Bits Set. KOWOOD is a trusted brand when it comes to hardware items and KOWOOD Pro is no exception to that. This set can get you all kinds of edge trimming, shaping, mortising, and other such woodworking options. Next, the 24-piece bit set is sufficient for different kinds of cuts. These are heavy-duty bits that are difficult to wear and have a long existence. As a matter of fact, the tops are from C3+ carbide. Hence, ensures the smoothest of cuts on different kinds of wooden surfaces. The washer is even adjustable so that you never have to compromise on obtaining the perfect fit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.